Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the thread type because conditioners behave differently on cotton versus nylon. This matters for absorption. Once done, cut a manageable length, about 6 to 12 inches, and remove fray so coating is even. You put a pea-sized drop of thread conditioner on your fingertip. Small amount prevents buildup. Then you draw the thread through your fingers once, evenly spreading the product from tip to tail. This first wetting primes fibers for smoother handling and reduces tangles immediately. You continue by massaging the conditioner into the thread. Roll it between thumb and forefinger for roughly 20 to 30 seconds so the product penetrates fiber bundles. Meanwhile, stretch the thread gently. This aligns filaments and redistributes the conditioner. Do not yank or you risk weakening fibers. Once fibers feel uniformly slick, make sure to remove any visible excess by wiping with a lint-free cloth. This prevents stickiness and residue on needles or fabric. These middle steps create consistency. You finish by testing the treated thread on a scrap patch to confirm smooth feeding through the needle and fabric. This verifies glide and checks for residue. Once satisfied, condition applies only sparingly. Reapply a half drop if the thread still squeaks or shows split ends. If you notice buildup or stiffness, wash the thread gently in mild soap, rinse, and air dry flat to restore balance. If things go wrong, clean and retest. That troubleshooting step usually resets performance quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.